welcome to my channel. In today's video, this is going to be a very quick and short video. I'm just going to talk to you guys about what I do in 2 hours a day to build my online business. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And a little bit about me, my name is Julia. I started digital marketing back in April 2024, and it was not easy at first, let me tell you this, to be able to create a schedule for myself. As a stay-at-home mom and as a new beginner with digital marketing, it was not really easy for me. The goal here is to work less and make more with your time and to be able to make income without working so many hours. So let me be honest with you guys. When I first started, I was not doing 2 hours a day. I was probably doing more than 2 hours a day because I was barely started. I didn't know exactly how I was going to do this, time management and everything. So I was barely learning how to master the 2-hour workday. In the program that I am doing, they explain to you that you need to master the 2-hour workday. And the way it is because in these 2 hours, 2 to 3 hours, you just focus on your business, okay? So you can either set up a timer or just look at the time and schedule yourself for 2 hours. You will block yourself from other things and focus on your business. Some people make more hours. The thing is, because we are using social media, it is really easy to get distracted, and this is the way you are spending more time on your digital marketing business. Because if you are using TikTok, for example, you end up scrolling through TikTok, and once you see your phone, you notice that you have been spending more than an hour on TikTok, you guys. It's very easy to spend so much time just scrolling through social media and not taking advantage of your time. So this is why a lot of people complain. It's another 2-hour workday, but it is because you are not using time management. So this is what I had to learn a little after I started. So 2 hours, let me explain it to you. I use 30 minutes of my 2-hour workday as a training. We have trainings, we have replays. We have trainings weekly, you guys, and they are live trainings. Sometimes I am able to attend, but not all the time. And these trainings, you guys, are pretty long. They're very long. They're probably more than an hour, almost 2 hours. It depends because there's always a Q&A after the training, so people are asking questions. But what I do, because there's a replay of the trainings, I just listen to the trainings 30 minutes while I'm driving, or when I go to the gym, I listen to the training, to the replay trainings. So I don't have to be stuck watching the training for the whole 2 hours or an hour and a half. I can just go ahead and listen to the training replay as I am going through my day. Okay, so it's really simple, easy, 30 minutes there. You can listen more if you want to, if it's really interesting. Usually it's really interesting. So as I'm doing laundry, as I'm putting stuff away, doing dishes, and all of the things, driving, going to the gym, whatever, I can listen to the training, probably for the whole training that I missed the day before. And at 1 hour, you guys, this hour, it is for content. So I post videos, as you can see here on my YouTube channel, but I also post on TikTok and Facebook and Instagram. They are together. So when I post on Facebook, it goes to my Instagram account. So that's very connected. So usually what I do, I make a video on my TikTok, okay? So this video gets saved onto my phone, and then I use the same video and I just upload the video into my Facebook and it goes to my Instagram. Or sometimes, not all the time, I upload that video to my YouTube channel. So I don't have to be creating content for each social media platform. What I do is just reuse one video to all my social media platforms. And I try to post at least 3 times a day. I do speak Spanish, so I have a TikTok Spanish, so I post there as well. 1 to 3 videos is fine. Sometimes my videos are not always of me creating a new content. Sometimes my videos are just replying to a comment. So I reply with a video, and that way people are interested in what I'm talking about just by listening to the response I give to someone who commented on my video. So it's really simple, you guys. And what I do on the weekends or on Monday, usually it's on the weekend or Monday. If it's really busy on the weekend, I just do it on Monday, is I grab my planner. I have my planner here, and what I do is I plan my week. Okay, so I plan my business week. You can also see a video. I will probably put it in the description here or here, and you can see the video of how I plan my business for the week. So let me show you really quick. For example, for the month of May, I'll go to a blank. Okay, so for the month of May, this is how it looks. This is the weekly planner. I do plan my days, everything, you guys. When I go to the gym 4 times a week, I schedule my gym days. Today's my day off. Wednesdays, I don't go to the gym. I go to the gym Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, sometimes Saturday. So that's my schedule for that. And I plan my business here. So I put the days I go live on social media. So I go live Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday. So I write it down here. So sometimes it changes. I'm a mom, so the schedule is always changing. So this Friday, I will be volunteering at my kids' school. So that's the reason I went live today, which was my day off from live on Wednesday. Because like I said, I go live Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday. But because on Friday, I won't be able to, I schedule myself for today. I already did that, you guys. I did 30 minutes on my live already. So that's out of the way. All my business activities is done before my kids get out of school. So once my kids get out of school, I am on mom mode. I don't work on my business anymore. Maybe I see comments on my post and I just respond to them, but that's it. So I also schedule the trainings. I watch the videos. I see the trainings that's going to happen. Usually we have trainings on Tuesdays. So that's the day I watch the training. If I'm not able to watch the full training, usually they are in the morning. So what I do is when I go to the gym, I'm doing the training and I'm at the gym at the same time. So that works for me. And it's really simple, you guys. 2 to 3 hours. Some people feel, I've noticed a lot of people think it's not possible to work 2 to 3 hours, and they're saying that is not true. But that's probably because they are not using time management, and they are not planning, they are not scheduling, they are not doing any of that. So it is really easy to get overwhelmed and to overwork and do more than you have to do. So that's what I do on my 2 to 3 hour workday. So if you are interested in learning how to make money online with working 2 to 3 hours per day, what I recommend you guys is to really schedule from the beginning. Use your planner from the beginning when you start your business, because it is really easy to get overwhelmed. Once you set up your website and set up everything, you are ready to go and ready to start on your online business, and then start planning your schedule. Even when I first started digital marketing and I was watching the videos, because we watch the video step by step to be able to start to set up our website. So there was a lot of videos there to set up our website, but they were very short videos, like less than 5 minutes and so on. But I was taking my time, you guys. I was saying, okay, this day, Monday, for example, I'm just gonna do 3 videos, and then the next day, another 3. I was not in a rush with my business, you guys, and that's the way I did it. So you don't need to hustle all day to do your business. All you need is just a system that really works for you. So if you are working right now, if you currently have a 9 to 5 or whatever schedule you may have, it is really important for you to get a planner and plan the time you are not really busy, and just add your business activities there, okay? I know a lot of people are working and they want to make extra income and they don't know how to do it. And I told one person, you can do this while you are on your break or when you're taking a lunch. Just post content. And there's always ChatGPT really helps you with ideas, with creating content. Sometimes, you guys, I use ChatGPT. ChatGPT, it's really fun because I added about me, so ChatGPT gets to know me, my business, and it gets to be able to help me out with planning a week of topics for the day and even for the month. I have my topics for the month for my YouTube channel already, and I post every Wednesday now, and this has really helped me a lot. So let me know in the comments if you are going to start digital marketing, so that I can give you the link right now so you can get started. And are you going to plan your business? I can help you with that. If you are working, you can tell me your schedule and I can help you with that once you add your email to my link, and I will give you all the details. Let's get you started, and let's get you started into making money online. It is 2025, you guys. Anyone can do this. It is really simple, and this year it will come out in Spanish. So that's really fun. If you are bilingual, English and Spanish, this will really help you out. Hope you have a beautiful day. I will see you guys soon. And don't forget, check the link in my bio in the comment section and add your email for the free information. And also, I will send you the link for the free webinar that's happening this week. Have a beautiful day, and thank you so much for watching. I will see you next time.